What if people are quietly making thousands every month online and nobody's talking about it? Today I'm showing you 10 proven methods ranked from good to incredible. Some pay you right away, others build passive income. Let's count down from number 10. Number 10. Mystery shopping. Mystery shopping pays you to secretly review businesses. Platforms like Ipsos and Field Agent send you to restaurants or stores. You order food, check service quality, note wait times, then write a quick report. They reimburse everything, plus pay you. I did this for Subway. Free sandwich every visit, plus cash for a 15-minute review. People make $20 to $30 an hour doing this. Some quit their jobs to do it full-time. The bonus? Free food, gas, and products. Sign up for multiple platforms. Market Force covers USA. Service Integrity does Australia. Floorwalk handles India. Roma works across Europe. More platforms means more opportunities. Number 9. Website testing. Companies like Google and PayPal pay people to test websites before launch. Platforms like User Testing, UTest, and Test Workers connect you with these gigs. One Reddit user made $2,000 in a single month using UTest. The work is simple. Record your screen while completing tasks. They might ask you to find business hours or book an appointment. Talk through your process. I'm clicking here. This button's confusing. Okay, found it. I tested a museum website once. Took 20 minutes. Paid $40. Sessions usually run 15 to 30 minutes and pay $10 to $60. Sign up for multiple sites. User Testing, UTest, Test Workers, Testa. More platforms means steady work. Game testers can try Playtest Cloud and Game Tester. Pays less, but gamers enjoy it. Number 8. Data training tasks. Platforms like Stellar, Data Annotation, and Outlier pay you to complete simple tasks. Look at images and identify objects, read text, and mark specific words. These tasks train technology systems. Pay starts at $25 per hour. One Reddit user was making decent side money within 2 weeks, working 20 hours weekly. Some people quit regular jobs for this because of the flexibility. You need to pass an application. Not everyone gets accepted. Approval takes days to weeks. Work availability depends on demographics. Sign up everywhere. Remote tasks, invisible technologies, aligner. If you have a degree, invisible technologies and aligner pay more for specialized tasks. Number 7. Fiverr services. Fiverr lets you sell skills without upfront costs. Create a profile, list your services, wait for orders. Real numbers. One seller charges $140 for 20 slide presentations with 6 orders waiting. Another gets $210 for 30 slides with 12 orders queued. These are regular people using Canva. Canva's free version has templates for everything: presentations, graphics, social media, content. Design once, reuse the style for multiple clients. Pick something you're decent at: writing, design, video editing, voiceovers. Post your first gig. Fiverr has millions of active buyers searching daily. Number 6. User-generated content. Brands pay regular people to film product videos. Follower count doesn't matter. Sign up on Billo, Join Brands, or Trend. Companies send free products. Film yourself unboxing or using them. Send the video. Get paid $25 to $500 and keep the product. One creator made $2,000 her first 2 months with Billo. Another pulls $10,000 monthly now. Why? Authentic content from real people converts better than studio ads. Your kitchen video looks genuine. Studio recreations look fake. Build a portfolio on Billo first. Then advertise on Twitter using hashtags like UGCCreator and UGC deals. Direct client rates run $150 to $500 per video. Also check UGC Shop, Backstage, and Trend. If you have followers, try Amazon's influencer program. #5 digital products on Etsy. Etsy gets hundreds of millions of monthly visitors, spending hundreds of millions. Digital products work great because you create once and sell unlimited copies. One digital planner made over $1.2 million. Another hit $1.5 million. These are downloadable PDFs, not physical products. Make these in Canva. Planners, workbooks, budget templates, calendars, printable art. Browse Etsy for ideas, create your own versions. Free start trick. Sign up through it for 40 free listings instead of paying 20 cents each. Etsy verifies your identity. Sometimes free and instant. Sometimes they charge a small fee. Just try. You can back out. eBay gives 250 free monthly listings. They work with print-on-demand apps too. Number 4. Amazon self-publishing. Amazon KDP lets you upload a PDF. They list it, print when ordered, ship it, and pay you royalties. You never handle physical books. Real example. A simple trivia book published less than a year ago sells 1,100 copies monthly. Creator earns over $6,000 in monthly royalties. Basic questions, black and white images, nothing fancy. Use ChatGPT for trivia questions. Use Canva for layout design. Upload your PDF, done. Sell the same content as ebooks on Smashwords, Apple Books, and Barnes and Noble Press. Same work, multiple income streams. Focus on niches, don't make general trivia. Pick specific topics passionate fans search for. Number 3. Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest works like a visual search engine. People hunt for ideas and products. Pin images linking to blog posts with affiliate links for passive income. One creator's pin linking to her home renovation blog made over $1,000 in a month. Her blog post included Amazon affiliate links to products she used. Strategy: create eye-catching pins. Link to blog posts on Medium. It's free and allows affiliate links. Include Amazon Associates affiliate links. Earn commissions when people buy. Find affiliate programs on Impact. Thousands of companies available. Also try PartnerStack, Share a Sale, CJ, and ClickBank. Recommend products you actually use for genuine content. YouTube has free tutorials on Pinterest's search system. Number 2. TikTok and YouTube Shorts. TikTok Creator. Rewards and YouTube Partner Program pay based on views. One YouTube montage hit 69 million views in 5 months. Creators report 15 to 30 cents per 1,000 views. That single video made $10,000 to $20,000. Just clips with voiceover. TikTok pays more for videos over 1 minute. 20 cents to $1.50 per 1,000 views. 1 month-old quiz account got 25 million views on longer videos. That's $5,000 to $37,000 in 1 month. Successful content, montages, quiz slideshows in CapCut, meme compilations, simple stuff that keeps people watching. Downside, views aren't guaranteed. Videos can flop, but make enough and study what works. Your odds improve. Number 1, music creation and distribution. Top spot goes to music because you create once and earn everywhere forever. Suno generates music tracks. Free version gives 10 daily tracks. People make lo-fi beats, ambient music, study backgrounds. One lo-fi video with 2.2 million YouTube views earns $6,000 to $18,000. But it gets better. The creator also uploaded to Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Every stream adds up. YouTube pays $3 to $8 per 1,000 views. Streaming platforms pay per stream. All passive. Smart creators make track batches and build libraries. More content means more passive monthly income. Suno's free plan gives you all rights. Monetize however you want across any platform. There's your 10. Pick one and start today. If this helped, hit subscribe for more ways to make money online.